Hello, everybody. Oh my God, I'm so glad I'm back. If you are watching me on TikTok, I have not uploaded in a while because I was sick. I was sick with COVID. I feel so much better. Today was like the first day that I felt like a human, and I was like, I'm just gonna put some makeup on, get my hair done, and talk to the camera because I've missed you guys so much, and I felt so bad that like I haven't uploaded in more than 10 days. But I'm here and I'm back, and I had a lot of reading done when I was sick, and one of the books that I just finished was The Game of Life and How to Play It by Florence Scovel Shinn. I'm still coughing a little bit, so I'm sorry if there's going to be a lot of pauses in this. But anyway, this is how to find your life purpose, according to Florence Scovel Shinn. She was a spiritual thought leader in the 1800s, similar to Neville Goddard. I'm sure everybody knows who Neville is. And this book was actually one of my favorite reads for this year. And one of the chapters that really resonated with me was when she was talking about how to activate your life purpose. She says every single person that is alive has a purpose, and you can activate this purpose with a simple prayer that she shares in the book. The prayer goes, "Infinite Spirit, open the way for the divine design of my life to manifest. Let the genius within me now be released, and let me see it clearly with the perfect plan." So if you're not familiar with Florence's work, it's definitely very connected to the Bible, just like Neville Goddard. But I would also equate Florence's work to Dr. Joe Dispenza's, because it's very much about surrendering yourself to the divine. It's about letting the divine lead the way and open paths for you, and just really trusting that there is an energy force out there that knows the bigger picture of your life and is always guiding you towards the highest timeline. And this does not mean that you cannot manifest specific things, but it's just about being open to the magic of the unknown. Because what I have realized as well is I don't have all the answers. And when I desire to manifest something, I want to make sure that it's not coming from my limited self, which means if I desire a life of abundance and I'm affirming that I want to make $10,000 a month, that could be a way that I'm limiting myself. Because what if the universe wants to give me $20,000 a month? But my limited self cannot possibly fathom that life. So instead of putting myself in a box and saying this is all I want and deserve, I get to open myself up to what infinite intelligence or the divine wants to give me. One of the things that she says in the book also is that once you open yourself up to your divine purpose, God will supply your self-expression. Like, you don't have to worry about anything, because your purpose will always be supported and financed by God, and it's unlimited supply. So in order to find your purpose, sit in meditation, say that little prayer. I will include it in the caption or the comments. And Florence says just see what images comes to you, because you will be shown flashes of inspiration. So you're not really creating these images consciously. Okay, I'm losing my voice. Sorry, I still have COVID, so my voice is like going in and out. But anyway, Florence said that you will be shown flashes of inspiration. So you're not creating these images consciously. You're simply just witnessing what your highest self-expression in the eyes of the divine wants to show you. And she gives an example of Alexander Graham Bell. She says he did not seek the telephone was seeking him. And at the time, I'm sure it was impossible for him to think about creating a device that will allow you to talk to people in two different places. But he just opened himself up to the possibility of it by divine design. So let me know how you feel about this. Do you resonate with Florence's way of manifesting and bringing your desires into your life? Share with me in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Follow for more, and I'll see you next time.